Hi guys. While I went to pick up the kids, I got a delivery from UPS, and it was the Today Special that Crafters Companion presented the other day on HSN. So if it's still available or any other links that I'll have in the description box would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you're purchasing items to those links. Yeah, I was gonna wait till tomorrow, but I thought, you know what? The thing was on Monday, right? And it's Wednesday, so I think maybe you guys might want to check it out. So, I'm going to open it up. I did not purchase the everyday verse stamp set because I already have that, and actually this morning I did a busted out video on the auto ship that I first got in July, and then I canceled the auto ship because it was a pitiful little sight to see for the amount of money that they wanted for it. So this time I did order the Christmas verse stamp, and I, what's the word? Didn't do auto ship because I already knew it was going to be the same stuff. And even today when I opened it up, I was surprised there was only one sheet of stickers, like not even two sheets of stickers, and then 4 of each insert. So 16 pieces of paper basically that, you know, aren't even a full sheet of paper, little foiling on them, and 1 set of stickers, and then 1 stamp set. And like I've already talked about this, it was like $43 and change, right, for me, because it's 35 bucks roughly, $5 shipping, a little tax, like 10%ish. And so I'm like, for $43, it's not anything I want to keep getting, so that's fine. But I did pick up the Today Special, again, like I mentioned earlier, and this is interesting. So let me open this up. We'll see what we got. You know, it's kind of funny because they sell the Vellum Inserts on their own for like 20 bucks for a big old pad of inserts. Like, why couldn't they just give us a thing of inserts like that? Or card blanks with it or something to make it more of a value. It's kind of weird. But anyway, let's see here. This is going to be the box that has like the card blanks and stuff like that, and then the binder is in this other package that I showed you. So it's one box, kind of big, with all these things in it. Very pretty. I was super impressed with it last time around. You know what? I have a weird camera angle. So I've been replacing this camera, my regular one that I record with my phone camera, and I kind of messed with it. And I can't get back to the right angle. We'll have to figure it out, because usually this should be completely in frame. Feels a little bit tight. Anyhow, I'll get it done. Get it working. The Ultimate Christmas Verse Compendium. So a stationery binder, which is in the other box. 32 envelope seals. So that's a few sheets of the stickers, right? It might be 2 sheets if there's like 16 on each. 16 vellum inserts, which is kind of the same as the auto ship, right? 16 vellum. Well, actually, that's not true. They give you 8 vellum inserts in the auto ship and 8 paper ones. 105 clear stamps. That's again in the other box. 16 paper inserts. 32 card blanks, crystal pen, and 32 envelopes. And so let's just open this up and check it out. I'm not going to use it today because I just want to do an unboxing. I do actually have a few other things that came in, which are like sub boxes from another sub program that I have with Crafters Companion through HSN. But for now, let's open this up. And like I said, last time I did not realize the new things weren't going to be like in a box or be more substantial. I don't know how to put this, I guess this way. So the box is super pretty. I love the box. This is the kind of box that I like to hand make. We were talking about that earlier today. It's just, you know, chipboard, and then you cover it with all this pretty paper, but this is obviously machine made and very nice feeling. Envelope seal stickers. So since this is an unboxing, I will open them. I'm telling you, they're warm. I left them sitting outside till right now. So that opened up very easily because it's I'm getting a little goopy, right, with the heat. Let's see here. Ooh, that's probably not a good thing. Once they deliver your stuff, bring it in, because I can see that this is not good. But the stickers themselves are fine. It's just the separation in between is starting to get a little wonky there. Really cute. Joy of the World. Love the foil on that. Those are pretty. And 2 sheets. Labels. Let's see what this is about. This was a weird part in that last one too. Do you think I was just kind of beat up and just like dumped in here? Like, I'm not sure what that is, but labels. Okay, I guess they're like address labels. I don't know if you can see the edges on that. I didn't expect those, so that's cool. There's 1 sheet of those, so about 16 of them, I guess, because it looks like 4 by 4, so 16. Card blanks, again, they're going to be 4 by 6 probably, and maybe 5 by 7s. I didn't really pay attention too much to that, because I already saw it and I knew I was just going to get it because I wanted to get the Christmas one, so I wasn't paying too much attention, but really pretty. And oh, that's interesting. Oh, there must be tape there. What? Okay, it's some kind of paper that has like a gloss in the back. So one sheet separating those out for some reason, but there's green card blanks, red, or like a really deep red, and cream color. Okay, I took a quick pause because Diego was coming downstairs, and now my neighbor, I think, is taking a walk with her little daughter. They got some music playing, and I can hear him checking out the window here. So cute. Okay, Vellum Inserts. Again, don't leave this package sitting out just because you're too lazy like me to bring it inside the door. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so really pretty. These are very pretty. I like that. And this, definitely you can tell this is silver. And this one's gold. So earlier today when I was playing with the other ones, I'm like, I can't tell. Like, this is very, very much gold compared to this silver. So that's cool. I do like that. And then different colors, like little tan color and slightly different designs is what, yeah. So these are like snowflakey, and this one has like a different kind of design. Maybe you can see there. Ooh, look at this one. Love holly prints. Super pretty. Okay. So, I'm not sure why I tucked that one in with that, but there we are. And then 5x7 and 4x6 sizes on those. Card blanks. So these are the 5x7 card blanks. Oh, that's interesting. Or what? Okay, there they are. I was gonna say, there's only vellum inserts, but no, there's paper ones. A little messed up there, but that's alright. That's interesting. I wonder if the red kind of rubs off on that cream color, because they do have an extra piece of paper on this one too. It drives me nuts that my camera is so close. I'm gonna have to readjust this as soon as I'm done here. Green, again, that deep red, and then the cream color. Really nice, super heavyweight, so that's nice. But again, they're just kind of like in this box, but that's okay. Oh, I don't like the way this is kind of messing up the corners of my cards. Okay. Envelopes, you know, standard envelopes for the A4 size cards and for the 5x7. Really pretty colors, though. Kind of that European flat, but not as plunging. I'm not going to put those back in there. And then the foiled inserts. So again, these are paper with foil. Let's see here. It's pretty. And let's check another one out, just, yeah. And then the 5x7s. So definitely get to play with this. Of course, I mean, this is like every Christmas thing that you would want to ever stamp. And I already have another set of the verse stamps from last year, Christmas ones, so lots to say for Christmas. Let's see, let's put this over here. And then the little crystal pen. And you know, it's interesting, they were selling, I think, 3 of these for like 22 bucks. And I'm like, I'll take the one that's in here, but I'm not going to buy any other ones. It is a nice weight. It's a nice pen with the little crystals in there, but I don't know, I thought it was kind of weird. I was like, $22. Alright. Oh, I don't want these to get messed up. I'm going to have to put them back in this envelope. But yeah, so this insert thing or whatever this is, it's just weird. Like, it's not even really shaped to do anything. It's just there. So, that's what happened last time too. Oh, that green paper is kind of bleeding on this. So, be careful. Having said that, I will have to put those back in the envelope just in case. I'm just trying to put things back quickly so I can get to the next thing. Okay. So there is that. Nice magnet closure there. As you can see, you just want to snap on there. And this is this guy. I'm going to try to re-angle my camera and I will be right back. Okay, I'm going to say that wasn't helpful. Something just seems weird and off right now. I'll figure it out. I just don't have the time right now to spend messing with that. Sorry. I probably should open this too while I was waiting, but that's okay. Or playing with that. And now you can see part of my Cricut joy, which is not normal. So I will definitely have to reposition this. Let's see here. I do like the green color with the cute little gold dots. The other one, I have the other one right there. It's like facing me right now. I can grab the other binder from the original verse set, but it's very similar, just with muted colors. And then it has this guy here, keeping it nice and firm. I did leave this in my other one too, just because. And here we are, nice and warm. Again, these are not photopolymer, but they look like it. Just the way they're like designed or made. They look very much like photopolymer, but they're not. They're just acrylic. So, you know, this first part, Magical Christmas Wishes, Merry Christmas Mom, the presents placed in the heart are the ones that truly bless us season after season. Thank you for all you've given me. So, I mean, this one has quite a bit, even though it's called Magical Christmas, it's very much mom and dad wishing a fabulous Christmas to a very special mom with love at Christmas, mom and dad. So again, when it's something like this, I don't know if that means like you're saying that to them or that's what your mom and dad are saying to you, right? Like if you're putting that in a card for your child. I don't know. With love at Christmas, mom and dad, I guess. Just for you, Dad, at Christmas. I think what it is some of this doesn't have like punctuation, which kind of makes me a little batty. Like Merry Christmas, Mom. Merry Christmas, Mom. Instead of Merry Christmas, Mom, right? It should have a comma. Kind of, I'm a little bit of a stickler for punctuation. Like when people shorten things, like I can't really do that. I think the most I do that is like because, like BC or thank you so much TYSM, you know, those kind of things. But I really normally just write out everything. All right. Merry Christmas to a special brother. Merry Christmas to a wonderful brother. Merry Christmas, my sister. Brother, always feeling lucky to have such a great brother, and et cetera, et cetera. I mean, some of these are kind of long, which is really nice. I like these. Especially for you at Christmas. That's what this one says. But it's the sister and brother stuff on that one. That's weird. I wonder if these are not right. Because you would think it would say, like... No, I guess not. I mean, that's what it is. This one is at Christmas time, and it's like the grandparent words. I don't know why it's called at Christmas time. Christmas wishes to the best grandma. Merry Christmas to the best grandparents. Happy Christmas, love at Christmas, grandma. And if some of them look familiar, like that one is very similar to like this font and style. Let's see here. Oh, I love the gold ring on this. Very pretty. With love at Christmas, and it has like Christmas wishes to someone very special. Sending Christmas wishes to a dear friend. Sending you lots of love at Christmas. Merry Christmas with lots of love to a special couple. All I want for Christmas is you. Happy holidays to you both. That's sweet. It's kind of like couples, yeah, things like that. Or maybe something you would say to your significant other. I don't know. Christmas sparkle. With love at Christmas to our daughter. Again, this is daughters and sons. I don't know. Christmas wishes for a very special daughter. Merry Christmas to a special son. To a dear son, have a very Merry Christmas. Christmas wishes to our precious daughter. Really cute. This is grandchildren. It's called A Merry Little Christmas on the side. Why are the names not even close to... That's weird. Have yourself a merry little Christmas, granddaughter. Happy Christmas to our darling granddaughter. You know, when you have something like this, let's say you like, you know, have yourself a merry little Christmas, but you don't want the granddaughter part. You can just ink up portion of it or put it on your stamping block. Let me see if I have one I can. And then put that portion of it out of the way. So that's the kind of thing I like to do, like this. I'll take this, I'll put the part that I do want stamped, and then tuck this other part away. Now this one's kind of weird because it has that lip, but usually your block is solid there and you would just stick it down and it will stick to that part and this part and then you stamp. You know? However you want to do that. Some people would definitely just cut that off. And to be honest, I probably would because that's going to be a long time before I use Sentiment Granddaughter. Fingers crossed. So what I would do is take the scissors, honestly, and just, I'm not going to do it right now, but I might do it later. Just cut it off and you can still use it, you know? I know people do that kind of surgery stuff. I normally don't, but with this kind of thing, I probably would. Just if I want to use that, because I do like that sentiment. It's cute. Okay, so I almost called it Merry Little Christmas for whatever reason. Again, these are really big. I know they don't fit in here and the glare and all that. Sorry, guys. Merry Christmas, my love. To my husband, with love at Christmas. With love at Christmas to my wonderful wife. Merry Christmas to my wonderful husband. To my wife, sending you all my love to you at Christmas. Husband, have a wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas, my love. These are really sweet. So this one kind of fits with what it says here. Merry Christmas, my love. Thanksgiving. Oh, cool. What? Huh. Because they did have an extra 2 sets of these stamps that were Thanksgiving only, like Thanksgiving types. And I was tempted to add it on, but I thought, well, I already have... Actually, I don't have that many Thanksgiving greetings, I don't think. I have a few from like Spellbinders and stuff. But, and then, you know, whatever we pick up, like with my Diamond Press, like with the pumpkins and things, usually the harvest kind of stamp sets. But I didn't pick them up, so that's cool. I'm really happy that that's in here, because there we go. Wishing you a peaceful Thanksgiving. Grateful for each and every one of you. Happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours with love. Give thanks with a grateful heart, etc., etc. And of course, when I count my blessings, I count you twice. I think I have that sentiment somewhere else, but this is really cute. And then this last one, Winter Wishes. So Feliz Navidad, love it. Joyeux Noël, Happy Holidays, Love and Light, Happy Hanukkah, Hello Winter, Winter Wishes. So lots of just different things in this one. Pretty cool. Yeah, so obviously I'm keeping this guy, but I did not do the auto ships, and I'm not going to do those. Well, obviously I can't add it now, but I just wanted to get to it and kind of take a peek at it. So let me know if, what you guys think, if you got one, and if you didn't, whatever you want to say, of course. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.